Hiya, in this video I'll be showing you how to do like a spiral tie-dye. So I've got a plain white t-shirt, just going to pinch the middle of this and then I'm going to twist it and it should automatically fold up around itself. You can just keep twisting it and then go with however it goes. But I don't like the folds really big, so I'm going to kind of keep pulling this out and make the folds slightly smaller. I just prefer that effect. But you can just do it really quickly and it'll give you a more of a rough spiral shape, whereas I like I say, the smaller kind of spiral thingy, so it's like a bit more tighter spiral. So I actually wet this t-shirt a bit because it's not actually 100% cotton. I weren't sure how the dye was going to take to it. So now I'm going to add 3 elastic bands just to section it off into 6 kind of even sections. Keeps it together and gives me a rough guide of where I'm going to put the dye. So I've got some dye, and this one I'm going to do black in every other like triangle, like the pizza slice section. Do whatever colour you want. But I thought I'd just go for a dark colour this time because I have tried this before with like rainbow colours. So I thought I'd go for a dark one with this one. And depending on how you want it to look, depending on how much dye you want, because if you want it like full colour, then you're going to want to put quite a bit of dye on this, so it all seeps through. But I did actually want some white bits left in it, so I didn't like oversaturate it. So I've done 3 sections black, and then the other colours actually match how I've got my hair at the moment. So it's like a pinky, dark pinky red, purple, and blue. So that's one side. Now I'm going to flip this over and do the exact same colours in the same sections as the other side, and then I'm going to leave it overnight. Depending on what colour you're using, what dye you're using, you could, some say like let it set for 6 to 8 hours. When I was doing this, by the time I'd left it for 8 hours, it would have been quite late at night, so I just left it overnight. And you want to wrap up in something plastic. I just put it in a plastic bag. If you want to put it in something plastic, so it doesn't completely dry out before it's had time to soak in and set. Then you want to rinse it out. So I basically just done this in a tap. The sink is actually kind of messy because this is actually the second one I've done. But I basically just rinse out as much as possible, then I bung it in the washing machine, and then you leave it to dry. It does dry a bit lighter than what it looks like now. I think it actually looked better when it was wet. The colours are a bit more vibrant. And this is what it looks like when it's done. So hope you enjoyed this. What colours would you do if you made one? Let me know. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.